some important points about the cell structure. Understanding, discovery of the cell, and some activity to observe the cell. Okay, now in this class we will discuss about structure of the cell. What? Structure of the cell. When we observe the cell, when we observe the cell, it is surrounded by a membrane, that is plasma membrane. Remember, plasma membrane. Cell is surrounded by an outer membrane, that is plasma membrane or cell membrane or cell membrane. Are you understanding? Remember, plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is outermost layer of the animal cell or cells. It is the outermost layer. Plasma membrane is made up of proteins and phospholipids. Proteins and phospholipids. Remember, plasma membrane is made up of proteins and phospholipids. Okay, lipids here. Phospholipids means phosphate is present here. When we observe the here, this is the membrane. This is the membrane. Like this. Here observe, This is a phospholipid layer. This is another phospholipid layer. Means bilayer of phospholipid. What? Bilayer of phospholipid. Bilayer of phospholipid is present. Means two layers. How many layers? Two layers of phospholipid. How many? Two layers. In this bilayer, here and there, large proteins are arranged. Large proteins are arranged like this. Observe, this is the protein here. Observe carefully. Understanding? To explain the structure of the plasma membrane, two scientists proposed a theory or model, that is fluid mosaic model. What? Fluid mosaic model. Singer and Nicholson. Singer and Nicholson proposed the fluid mosaic model of chemical structure of the plasma membrane. Chemical structure of the plasma membrane. Observe, when we observe the cell, this is a brick-like structure. Wall is made up of bricks. Our body is made up of cells. Brick is made up of different types of materials. For example, clay soil, clay soil and other materials. Understanding? Other materials. It means rice material. Understanding? Paddy, fruit wall. Okay, fruit wall. You know very well that. This type of material. Here cell is made up of different types of materials like plasma membrane and other internal structure we will discuss. Understanding? We will discuss about this. First, let us observe plasma membrane. Once observe all important points. Observe once again. Cell is surrounded by a membrane that is called plasma membrane. It is also called as cell membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane is made up of proteins and phospholipids. Proteins and phospholipids. When we observe the structure of the plasma membrane, phospholipids are arranged in two layers. Bilayers of phospholipids are present. Bilayer is present here. This is a layer. This is another layer. Next, in this phospholipid bilayer, here and there proteins are located. Here and there proteins are located. This type of model of chemical nature of plasma membrane is called fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic model of structure of plasma membrane is made up of, this structure is called fluid mosaic model. This type of model is proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Singer and Nicholson. Understanding? So once again. Next, what is the function of the plasma membrane? What is the function of the plasma membrane? Function is protection. protection of internal parts of the cell. Internal parts of the cell. This is the function of the plasma membrane. Next, another function is it gives a particular shape. It gives a particular shape to the cell. This is the another function of the plasma membrane. Remember, these two are important functions. Okay. This is about the plasma membrane. This is about plasma membrane. Next, in some cells, means only in plant cells, on plasma membrane, only in plant cells, on plasma membrane. There is another membrane. There is another membrane. That is cell wall. What is that? Cell wall. On plasma membrane, not below, on plasma membrane. For example, this is plasma membrane. On this plasma membrane, another membrane is present, that is cell wall. That is cell wall. Understanding? Observe carefully. That is actually cell wall. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Here, this is the cell wall. It is present only in plant cells. It is present in plant cells. In plant cells, it is present. In plant cells, it is present. Whereas in animal cells, In animal cells, it is absent. It is absent. Here, cell wall is made up of one type of carbohydrate, that is cellulose. What is that? Cellulose. It is a type of carbohydrate. It is a type of carbohydrate. Understanding? Now observe cellulose fiber. What? Cellulose fibers are arranged like a net, like a net, like this. And form porous layer. And form porous layer. Observe carefully. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay. Observe carefully. Next, what is the function of the cell wall? Protection of inner part of the cell. It gives a particular shape to living organism. It gives a particular shape to the cell. Sorry. It gives a particular shape to the cell. These two are main functions. Observe one all important points about the cell wall. Observe once again. Cell wall on plasma membrane. In plants, on plasma membrane, another membrane or another layer is present. That is cell wall. That is cell wall. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. That is cell wall. cell wall is present in plant cell, but in animal cell, cell wall is offset. Cell wall is offset. Okay. Usually cell wall is made up of cellulose fiber. Cellulosic fiber. Cellulose means it is one type of carbohydrate. It is one type of carbohydrate. All cellulose fibers are collectively formed a porous layer. A porous layer. This is the cell wall. This layer is the cell wall. What is the function of cell wall? What is the function of cell wall? Protection. It gives protection to inner parts of the cell. Next one is it gives this shape to the cell. It gives a particular shape to the cell. These two are the important functions of the cell wall. Observe one. Okay. Next. When we observe the inside of the cell, jelly-like heterogeneous fluid is present. Jelly-like heterogeneous fluid is present. It is called cytoplasm. It is called cytoplasm. Remember, it is called actually cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means not homogeneous material. It is heterogeneous material. Means liquid particles, liquid portion is present as well as solid portion is also present. Liquid portion, solid portion. लिक्विड पोर्शन में mainly water. Liquid portion is here mainly water. Solid portion में different types of granules. Next, number of membranous. Listen carefully here. Different types of membranous structures are present. Membranous structures are present. Different types of membranous structures. Okay, are you understanding? Observe carefully. Other different types of materials are also present. Materials okay, liquid portion, solid portion. Two types of portions are present here. Now, what is the function of the cytoplasm? It contains different types of enzymes and different types of hormones. Okay, enzymes, hormones in cytoplasm actually, and other membranous structures. Okay, they are called cell organelles. What? Cell organelles are also present. Number of enzymatic reactions are taken place inside of the cytoplasm. Inside of the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, membranous structures, cell organelles float. Cell organelles float. And they come out. Okay, listen carefully here. Cell organelles are present. These cell organelles float in the cytoplasm. Okay, this is about this. Observe one. Next, another important part of the cell another important part of this cell is nucleus. Is nucleus. It is very important part of the cell. It is very important part of the cell. It is first discovered by Robert Brown. Robert Brown. He stated that it is an integral part of the cell. Robert Brown stated that nucleus is the integral part of the cell. Each and every cell contains nucleus. Here nucleus is a membranous structure. It is a membranous structure. It is a membranous structure. Means it is surrounded by membrane. How many membranes? Actually, by two membranes. By two membranes. Observe carefully. Two membranes, by two membranes. Next. Observe carefully. When we observe the nucleus, inside of the nucleus, a thread-like structure is present. It is called chromatin. It is called chromatin. What is chromatin? Chromatin means DNA. Chromatin means DNA. What is the full form of DNA? DNA means, listen carefully, very important one here. deoxyribo, deoxyribonucleic acid, nucleic acid. This is the full form of the DNA. This type of DNA is present inside of the nucleus. Are you understanding? Next here, another dot-like structure is also present. It is called nucleolus. It is called nucleolus. Fluid which is present inside of the nucleus, this fluid is called nucleoplasm. These two membranes present around the nucleus, they are called nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Understanding? Okay. What is the function of the nucleus? It is also called as control chamber of the cell. It controls the all other cell organelles and all the activities that occur in the cell. That is why it is also called as control chamber of the cell and brain of the cell. What? Brain of the cell. Okay, observe one all important points. क्या ऑब्जर्व? Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown. Who? Robert Brown. Cell was first discovered by cell, not nucleus. Cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke. Next, Robert Brown stated that nucleus is an integral part of the cell. Nucleus is an integral part of the cell. Means it is a part of the cell. Means all cells contain the nucleus. Nucleus is membrane bounded structure of the cell. Membranous structure it is called. It is surrounded by, nucleus is surrounded by two membranes. Two membranes. Understanding? They are called nuclear membrane. Those two membranes are called nuclear membrane. They play a very important role. What? Nuclear membrane. Next, when we observe the inside of the nucleus, thread-like structure is present. Thread-like structure is present. It is called chromatid. It is called actually chromatid. Chromatid means nothing but DNA. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. Deoxyribose nucleic acid. This is the full form of the DNA. Next, nucleus contains a black spot-like structure. It is called nucleolus. It is called nucleolus. Understanding? Next, inside of the nucleus, jelly-like fluid is present. It is called nucleoplasm. It is called actually nucleoplasm. Next, functions of the nucleus. What are the functions of the nucleus? Nucleus controls different types of activities of the cell. That is why it is called control chamber of the cell. control chamber of the cell. As it performs all the activities and controls the other, listen carefully here. As it controls the all other cell organelles, it is called control chamber of the cell. Brain of the cell means all decisions of the cell and all, listen carefully here. All activities are controlled by brain, cell, nucleus. All activities of the cell are controlled by nucleus. That is why it is called brain of the cell. It is called actually brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. When we observe the nucleus, we can observe there are small pore-like structures. These are called nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. Okay, observe once.